Hello, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at the EZVIZ Mini Pano panoramic Wi-Fi camera. Here's some details about it. It has a 360-degree immersive view lens, 3 megapixel level sensor, night vision technology, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz connectivity. Most of these cameras only come with 2.4, so that's nice. Comes a micro SD card slot with up to 128 gigabyte support, and it has a secured cloud recording option that costs a little bit extra, and two-way audio. So going into the box, here's the camera itself. Now we're going to flip this over. Comes with some documentation here. There that is. Some information right there. And then the camera itself. This is the camera. So it's got a 360-degree spherical type lens. So basically you see the whole room at once. And back here is where you plug it in. USB right there. There's the two-way audio right there. And that's pretty much it. You can mount it almost anywhere in the corner of your room, your house, or small business. And this will get a view of everything going on. And then here is a view right here of what you would see with the camera. So pretty much the whole room, if you put it in the right spot. So this is the EZVIZ Mini Panoramic Wi-Fi enabled security camera for your smart home. Thank you.